me Rainbow Dash, and this is my Hawkman.
Rainbow Dash, do you have any new catchphrases going on?
I've got an awesome one that I'm working on, but it needs to be 20% cooler before I let that bad boy out.
Okay, so Rainbow Dash, how do you do a Sonic Rainbow?
First, you gotta be me. Then it helps if your close friends are plummeting to their doom and you need to save them. Well, wake up.
Okay. This might be awkward, but I need... Well, it's actually for rarity. Anyway. Your best main styling tip.
I do some quick flybys through some clouds and let my awesomeness speak for itself.
What's your favorite color? Huh? Awesome fans want to know. Huh? Please back up.
Rainbow color? Oh!
Who's your best friend?
My friends are the best. Next question.
Best gift you've ever received?
My wings, of course.
Worst gift you've ever received?
Oh, Pinky once gave me a cupcake with worms in it. I'll never get that taste out of my mouth.
Who would you beat in the race? Who?
In the air, I'm unbeatable. But, on top, I'd say Applejack would definitely give me a run for my money.
Biggest pet peeved. Yes, I said peeved.
I can't stand slowpoke. I know pretty...
Shut up. Best Ponyville landmark. Why am I thinking of this question?
The awesome spot in the sky where you could see everything. Of course, they'd have to be a Pegasus to get there.
You would want to be...
Captain of the Wonderbolts, of course.
Favorite food?
Peanut butter and Zap apple jam sandwich.
Cutie mark that you want. Choose a cutie mark, Rainbow Dash.
You're kidding, right? Why would I want anything else?
Weirdest place to nap?
I once dozed off in a thundercloud. Big mistake.
Well, thanks, Rainbow Dash. That was your hot minute. Goodbye. That was a